Rehab center, because as you already know, I am the boy child champion, trying to see how the men or the boy children who are out there rejected and living in oblivion, whose dreams have been shattered by the very fact that they went wayward and they started taking drugs. They are abusing substance, and especially here at the coast, the biggest problem we are having are the hard drugs, and therefore we are looking into ways of being able to go to them, try to speak to them, and to bring them to the rehab and have an end-to-end solution where they come to the rehab, they go for training in the vocational training, and we try to see that those ones who go through that program will also be connected to jobs. Most of the problems that we had before is that people will come to a rehab, and then once they have finished, they just go back to their frustration and to what they used to do, and they relapse. That is why we are thinking of going further and seeing how we have an end-to-end solution for these people. Those ones who can be trained and they can become plumbers, they can become masons, and they can be able to be put in the new programs in the housing, especially the affordable housing. We try to connect them there.